Now, the purists are going to be shaking their heads, but this is the latest member of the future touring class, the Mitsubishi Magna V8. Not a V6, but a V8. And not front wheel, but rear wheel drive. And you better get used to it because this is the way of the future. It's part of Toka's move for 2001-2002, where fans will see a variety of manufacturers' bodies on a standard 5-litre V8 engine.
We've been building the car now for about 12 months, and to get it here is just a success in itself. And to be going as well as we are today, we couldn't ask for anything more.
After qualifying at the car's first weekend on wheels, the Magna was only half a second behind the quickest of the future tourers. Better than anyone had planned, including driver Greg East. Most of his steering experience is in NASCARs, but he hadn't raced a car for 5 years. You've been out of a car for 5 years, and you really can't put a scratch on this. This is a brand new car, and they don't want it hurt at all.
It's a worry, isn't it? Might be a bit of a jinx, I hope not. But no, we'll see how we go. I'll be just holding back a little bit. I won't be wringing its neck or anything yet. We'll wait for next season for that.